Hi and welcome back to Upgrowth YouTube channel. At Upgrowth, we spend a lot of time looking at what actually drives growth. Not just bigger numbers, but faster, more consistent momentum. Because anyone can gain followers, but not everyone understands how fast they are growing and why. That is exactly what our tool for today, Follower Growth Rate Calculator, helps you break down. It shows you your growth velocity, not just your follower count. Here's how to use it. You start by entering your platform where you want to check your follower growth rate. So let's say YouTube, then you give it your current followers and the previous followers, time period, the posting you've been doing per week, and the niche. Once you fill up all the details, you hit on calculate growth rate. Now, once you hit calculate, you'll see your monthly growth rate. You'll see the new followers this period had per day also and per week as well. And it also gives you a monthly projection. And not that's not it. It provides you the milestone timeline as well. Like 1 lakh followers you'll be able to reach in 7 months as per this rate. You'll instantly know are you below average, on track, or are actually outperforming your niche because it gives you the average benchmark for growth, and it also gives you some tips, and that is where this becomes actionable. If you're posting consistently but your growth is flat, something needs fixing. If you see sudden spikes, you can understand whether you project. It also helps you project forward. So instead of guessing when will I hit 500k, you can actually estimate it based on your current pace. One simple benchmark: consistent 2 to 5% monthly growth is healthy. Anything too high without a reason, usually not sustainable. So instead of chasing vanity metrics, start tracking momentum because growth rate is what tells you what's actually working. It also provides you some insights related to understanding follower growth rate, healthy versus unhealthy growth patterns, detecting fake followers, platform specific strategies, and how top creators are scaling their growth. Try this tool with your last 30 days of data, picture of where you stand. So make the most of it. And this isn't it. There are more calculators on our social media tools page at upgrowth.in. So make sure you check them out as well. Thank you.